To subscribe our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the latest video notifications.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to DD Tech TV, and today I'm going to unbox this RGB mouse. So this is basically a wired mouse, and I bought this from South Korea, and the price written is 500 won, sorry 5000 won, and this equals to around 300 rupees. And I'm reviewing this because the similar models are available in India as well, and I'll try to post the link down below. So let's quickly unbox this and see what's inside the box. Inside the box we have this beautiful mouse. We don't have any documentation or anything else, so you can see how it looks. The quality is decent. So I bought this from a store which is named as Daiso in South Korea. So the wire quality, I must say, that's really great, as you can see. Let me try to zoom. Yeah, so it's a typical USB cable. So let's quickly turn this on and check about the RGB lights which it has. So as you can see, it's RGB. So let me just close the light and show you the lighting. So as you can see that it looks really nice, and it continues to change its color on its own. So we do not have any control over the lights, as you can see, but it's a really beautiful mouse, I must say. So the buttons are very tactile, and the quality is really great, and it looks really nice as well, as you can see. So we have these the wired mouse available in India as well. So I'm going to give you the link downside, and I'll try if I'm able to get this mouse as well. If you like this video, hit like button and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. Thank you guys. Bye bye.